Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to print the drawings to make a PDF file in AutoCAD. First, update the print setup for each layout. Step 1. Open Page Setup Manager by mouse right-click on each layout. Step 2. Click Modify to open Page Setup. Step 3. Plot Style Table is already set to monochrome.ctb. The monochrome style turns all layer colors to black. Since we don't want our wall, floor, and ceiling thickness to be black, we need to customize the plot style. Step 4. Click the Edit button next to the name. Step 5. Click Color 9 from Plot Styles and change to Use Object Color. Step 6. Click Save and Close. Step 7. If the color is not changed automatically on your paper space, use Regen command for the views. Second, print a single sheet. Step 1. Click a layout that you want to print. Step 2. Press Ctrl+P to open plot. Step 3. Click Preview from the plot window. Step 4. Click OK. Find a location to save. Click Save. Last, print multiple sheets at once. Step 1. Click Home button. Select Publish to open Publish window. Step 2. Select the drawing model if it shows, and mouse right-click. Click Remove. Step 3. Click Publish. Step 4. Specify the file location to save. Click Select. Step 5. If you want to save the current list of sheets for later use, click Yes. Step 6. Click Close, once a processing background job window pop up. Step 7. Wait until the completion message comes. Save the file before closing the application. Save in a different location for the backup, example a cloud folder. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to print the drawings to make a PDF file in AutoCAD. Thank you.